Hello, Lisa Piper here. We're going to make some golden milk. And first I want to talk about exactly what golden milk is. It is actually a great Ayurvedic drink that will help to really support the body. It's very nutrient dense and has a lot of health benefits. And it tastes amazing. So it's something that I really like, especially in the winter when my body needs a little more support, especially immune system. It's a great way to kind of get the body going during the day or even before bed at night because it is relaxing. So what are some of the benefits of golden milk? Golden milk is a great immune booster. It's a great digestive aid. It also is really good for brain function and memory. It helps with lowering blood sugar even. It has been known to have some anti-cancer properties and of course anti-inflammatory properties. This is the pain relief that a lot of people are looking for, or even just to help the body become a little more alkaline and less acidic, which is a huge part of that pain and cancer, the whole picture, right, of health. It's very cellular supportive. So there's a lot of things that that people don't even realize. It's even great for the heart and preventing heart disease. So what is in golden milk that does all these magical things? So golden milk is made up of ginger, turmeric, usually a cinnamon. Sometimes people will put nutmeg in there, and even cardamom sometimes, and then black pepper, and then some sort of sweetener, and usually a non-dairy milk of some sort. So you can mix it however you want. A lot of times people will ask me, do I have to use fresh if I don't have it? You can absolutely use powder, you can. Your body will take more from it and it'll taste so much better when you actually have fresh ingredients. So that's my preference. I also prefer dates as my sweetener because I know that the body knows how to read that sugar or sweetener better. It also gives other nutrients that we need, good potassium, good iron, magnesium. So there's things in here that will actually be more beneficial, like vitamins and nutrients. But you can add honey. A lot of people add maple syrup as well. When you go to make it, I also prefer, my milk of choice is coconut milk, and this is because it's got fat in it. So the fat is what you need to work with that turmeric and black pepper, that little trio, to really release all the curcumins and all the healing properties that we're looking for out of this drink. You can use almond milk and you can use oat milk or hemp milk, but I do suggest, if you do that, to add just a touch of coconut oil if you're not using full fat coconut milk. It's that fat that you need for it to really give you what you're looking for nutritionally. So how to make it? I put just a basic recipe, and you can adjust this as you want to make mine really rich. I add 2.5 cups of milk in a saucepan, and then I like to use bags like this. We sell all this here at the co-op, but this is an organic cotton non-bleached bag. And then I will put my cinnamon, if you only need 1 inch of turmeric and about 1 inch of ginger and about 2 inches of turmeric, fresh. I will slice it just a little, put it in here, and I'll use 1 big date. There's a pit in there, so I chop it up. This just helps to release everything faster. So I'll put it all in here in my bag. Little bit of, just a pinch of pepper. So we got 2.5 cups of your coconut milk, about 2 inches of turmeric, 1 inch of your ginger. I'd put about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon if you're using powdered. I like Ceylon, has more medicinal benefits, and especially for lowering blood sugar. 1 full date, my preference. Otherwise, you can use anywhere from 1 to 3 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup. And then just a pinch of black pepper is all you really need to really bring up everything. It also helps with digestion as well. So then I will put all that in my bag and then kind of close it up and literally bring it up to simmer. Not full boil, just a very low simmer. And I let it do its thing and sit on a low heat after that for about 20 minutes. You don't have to wait, but I always like all the medicine in there, and I like my flavors to get to know each other really well. Also because I use dates and I don't use honey or maple syrup, and so it takes a little more to extract that sweetness and all the vitamins back in there. So when you're done, you have a great drink. When you're done with making this, I just pull this out and pour this into a cup. If you don't have a bag like this, you can certainly use all sorts of different infusers and pour everything into there to strain out the other stuff and then drink it however you wish. But it's a great warm drink that you can do during the morning to kind of get you awake and in a good mood, or even in the evening for relaxing and before bedtime. But again, great digestive enzymes in there. So this is how you can make your own. I'd love to hear your versions because a lot of people have other recipes and ideas of what they put in their golden milk. And let me know what you think of it. If you like videos like this, just give us a like and maybe share it with a friend. We really appreciate when you subscribe to our channel. You can find out more information. And if you're looking for ingredients for things like this, of course we have it here at our store at Natural Living Organic Food Co-op in League City, Texas. And you can reach us at sales@shopnaturalliving.com. Thanks.